Security cameras in Ponce, Puerto Rico. Installation services. If you're searching for security cameras in Ponce, you've come to the right place. We specialize in providing high-quality security cameras and professional installation services throughout Ponce, Puerto Rico. Whether you need a single security camera for your home or a comprehensive system for your business, our experienced team is here to help. With over a decade of experience, we understand the security needs of the Ponce community. We offer a wide range of security cameras, including dome cameras, bullet cameras, and advanced color night vision cameras. Our systems are designed to ensure safety and peace of mind for your home or business. We also provide security camera installation in Ponce for both residential and commercial properties. Our technicians are highly trained to install the latest security camera technology, ensuring that your property is fully protected. Call us today at 787-456-8177 to schedule a consultation for your security camera needs in Ponce, Puerto Rico. You can also shop online at www.secureviewcameras.com.